Hey guys, JP here, founder of the HUG4LOVE movement. Today my challenge is to hug in an airplane since we're gonna take a flight to go to France. So far I've given 675 hugs. If you want to win a free NFT, participate to my challenge and all the details are below the video. So I'm adding this challenge of hugging 10% in the airport. The languages, you know? This is actually a pretty small airport. I think I'm in trouble. Currently 6 hugs. The airport is so small, I think I've seen almost everyone. Shit, I need to make that happen. Thank you. Currently at 9 hugs. Challenge completed. I got more than 10 hugs. So I just asked this steward to hug and he says no. But ask one of my colleagues. The pilot just announced that we're landing off super soon, but I haven't given my hug yet, so I need to hurry up. Yes. Challenge completed. Out to land in your home country.
Yeah.
Ciao. Freedom. The party is on! Now in Paris, waiting for our bus to go to Brittany! Oh yay! And the next stop, K-pop! Yeah! Oh my god, it has been 8 hours of bus, but we're finally here at least. If you want to win an NFT, participate! See you tomorrow, ciao!